In English class, I would like to become better at English, both the pronunciation but also English in general, the grammar, for example. How will I achieve this? Well, the basic grounds about achieving something in life is through hard work, and in this case hard work definitely would be practicing my pronunciation, as said, and the basic grammar rules. It is important that I remember to set regular goals for myself, and most importantly, don't get slaggy about what I truly want in life. It will only bite myself in the end, if I get that. Instead of competing with everyone else in class, which isn't a good idea at all, I could, for example, begin compete with myself, and in that way, I'll get better without defeat and without being torn down because of one or two simple mistakes that in reality everyone can make. In addition to that, it is important to know that everyone can make a mistake and that it is through here everyone, including myself, will only get better. Everyone has the opportunity to speak, which means that I have the right to speak in the classroom, for example, which is a good way to start practicing my English, mainly because the classroom is a place where no one will judge me, but also that there is a teacher who can help achieving the aim, my aim. The classroom can somehow be compared to a safe haven, where everyone is allowed to try their best without anyone laughing at you. Everyone, including myself, have to be aware that you cannot rely on anyone but yourself, especially when it comes to achieving your goal, your aim. A good thing though is getting all the help you need in addition to achieve, but in the end you'll have to do something yourself, or else you won't get nothing useful at all. A good advice to, for example, your pronunciation could be watching English movies with English subtitles instead of Danish subtitles, but most importantly, that you do your homework, that I do my homework, because in that way it will be a lot easier to be active in class without all the nervousness that everyone is so afraid of, including myself. Material wealth isn't a need to have, but it surely is a nice to have when it comes to learn the English language. Though it would be a plus if everyone were allowed to use supplies, like for example grammar books, video clips, and so on. Individual freedom is somehow the foundation of learning the English language. No one can force you to master the English language. It is a choice that you have to make on your own, that I have to make on my own. Also having the right to go to school, the right to speak, and most importantly, that you're allowed to choose your own level of difficulty all the way through the process.